Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a duo haul. So if you want to see some of the things that I picked up, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 8 fragrances to go over with you that I did pick up during one of their sales. I told you guys in my last duo haul that I did a big order and that I will be breaking them up into different parts. So I got 8 here to share with you today. I got these as part of the 36% off sale that they were having. Most of these are their duo designer lines, which is normally $33. I got all of these right around 21 bucks with a little change. So very good deal. And that's what I recommend that you do anytime you buy from the Duo brand. They have weekly sales. Some are better than others. So they have a way for you to create a wish list on the site. So I recommend if you see some things that you would like to add to your wish list whenever they do have a bigger sale, then you can take advantage of those. And that's what I tend to do. And so let's just get going on the ones that I'm sharing today. So the one that I'm starting out with is this one here called Creamy Tropic Elixir. Creamy Tropic Elixir. It says that it is inspired by Buen Talente by Perfume de Firenze. And I'm pretty sure I butchered that, but it normally retails for 120 bucks. And this one has a classification of an amber vanilla with notes of banana, caramel, toffee, red berries, coconut, apricot, peach, vanilla, raspberry, cookie, and musk. And I smell right off the bat I smell the caramel and the toffee off the top. But it says it's a creamy tropic elixir. What I find in this, what I'm picking up in this, like I said, is the caramel and the toffee. And I do smell, like it says, a slight cookie note in here. So I guess that's where the cookie is coming into play. This to me smells like more like a fall winter type fragrance because it is very rich and deep and warm. It's very sensual smelling to me. So I will save this for one of my fall winter trays. When I first saw this one, I was thinking maybe I would put it on my July tray, but I'm thinking I'm going to save this for fall winter time. To me, I feel like it'll be more, I will love it better during that time. But like I always say, wear your fragrances when you want to. But for me, I think I would want to wear it more fall winter time. All right, so that was Creamy Tropic Elixir. And the next one I got here is Blueberry Fluffy Dream Cake. So this one is inspired by Blueberry Bundt Cake by bathandbodyworks. So they duified this one. And it is considered a classification of a gourmand with notes of harvest blueberries, honey drizzle, and fluffy cake. And the cake note is very heavy in this. I smell it, and it smells just like a blueberry pancake. That's what I'm getting from this, like a scent of a blueberry pancake or something like that. So the name is very fitting. So I'm looking forward to trying this one in the fall as well. And the next one is Strawberry Dream Cake. So strawberry cream cake, dream cake is inspired also by another Bath and Body Works. And this is strawberry pound cake inspiration. It's classified as a fruity gourmand with notes of fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. Smells very good. These guys, these already been sitting for a few weeks because like I said, I did my order like about a month or so ago, and I've been breaking up this haul into different videos, but you do definitely smell the cake and the strawberries in this one with the whipped cream. So very good job with that. I'm going to be testing these out with their sprays so I can see the difference in them and see how well they layer together. But that was the point of me getting that, is to layer with those to make sure that they last longer. I mean, the strawberry pound cake lasts a long time anyways, but it will help turn it more into a perfume versus a body spray. Now, this next one I have here is Candy Coated Sweetness. Now, Candy Coated Sweetness is inspired by Ariana Grande's Sweet Like Candy. Now, this one says that it has the classification of a floral fruity gourmand with notes of blackberry, Italian bergamot, pear, jasmine sambac, frangipani, honeysuckle, cream de cassis, marshmallow, cashmere woods, and vanilla. I love jasmine, you guys, and I love I love the cashmere, I love the marshmallow type scents, and I love the berries like blackberry. So I knew I would get a good use out of this. I recently just got Ulta was having a perfume sale, so I got this. I believe I did get the Sweet Like Candy, but I'll double check. But I will compare the two if I have that one. So I got that one, and then the next one I got was Coconut Crush. And Coconut Crush is inspired by Victoria's Secret Passion. Classification of a floral fruity gourmand, and notes of coconut, lily of the valley, and vanilla. I love coconut, you guys, and my July tray will have coconut on it. So this is probably getting added. I have so many coconut items, so it's going to be a big month of coconut love. I can tell you that. But yes, this is a good one. This one, I really do smell the coconut, the sweetness of it. The Lily of the Valley isn't very strong in here. I'm getting mostly coconut and vanilla. At least from smelling it off the top. All right, and the next one I picked up here is called Cherry Hookah. And Cherry Hookah says that it is inspired by Simone Andrioli, I believe is how you say it, Vice Balm. That fragrance retails for around $230. And it is considered a gourmand. And this has notes of dark cherry, red fruits, salty caramel, vanilla cream, pink sugar, ylang ylang, precious woods, tonka beans, and amber. I was excited for this fragrance because I don't have a lot of cherry fragrances. And I'm trying to dip my toe into more cherry fragrances. I love. And this says dark cherry. I'm smelling, I'm getting cherry with sweetness. But you guys, I'll go more details with these, like I say, when I try them on my tray, because that gives me time to play with them and wear them more and give my good opinion on them. But so well, just smelling that, it smells good. I do smell the cherry in there. I do smell the sweetness from the vanilla. And it does smell like it has a little warmth to it, a little deepness to it. So it has a little character to it. So I'm excited about that. The other one here is one that's very popular on the duabrand site, and that's called the Dust of Delight. So the Dust of Delight is inspired by Narcotica's Happy Dust, which retails for around $280. This has a classification code of amber vanilla, and it has notes of bourbon vanilla, mango, coconut water, mate, vanilla, matcha tea, brown sugar, amber, star jasmine, vanilla, tonka bean, sandalwood, white musk, and Peru balsam. Now, never smelled Happy Dust, but Genre Parfums, another house that I've been testing out and enjoying very much, has their version called Fairy Dust, and I absolutely love that scent. So I wanted to see what the Dua version smelled like, because it has a lot of hype on their site as well. And some say you have to really let this one sit for months, they say, before it matures to what you want it to smell like. So we'll see. It's already been sitting here for, like I said, a few weeks now. So we'll see what I think about it. I think I might add this to my tray as well, because it has coconut water in it. So this might get added to my tray for this month, so I can really get testing it out. All right, and the next one I have here is Snowy Strawberries. Now, Snowy Strawberries is inspired by Strawberry Snowflakes from Bath and Body Works. And this one has a classification of a floral fruity with notes of strawberry, whipped cream, ice, and bergamot. So you guys, in this one, I have several Bath and Body Works inspiration. And you know, and that's the beauty about this Dua brand, is they don't just do the high-end niche fragrances. They also do some of the smaller, I shouldn't say smaller, they do some of the other popular scents that, you know, the customers would like to see. Because sometimes you enjoy a body mist from a company like Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret or whatever. You fall in love with it, but you would like to see it in a perfume version. Well, you know, this is all as straights. Dua brand does it straights. So you going from a body mist version of something all the way to a straight version of something. So you really getting that hype, you know, heightened up as far as longevity and for it to last longer period of time. Now, some of the body mist now starts out at $18.95, $16.95, whatever. The prices of those have slowly increased over time. And unless you get to have it on sale, like right now with semi-annual sale, where you can get some for as low as $4.99 or what have you. But they may not always have that scent. So you may have love a scent, and they might discontinue, and you might not see it for a long time. Where if you have access to this from the Dua brand, you know, so long they keep it in stock or whatever, you have a perfume version of that mist. So I really appreciate seeing some of these scents on their site, and then put them on my wish list. And that's why I took advantage of getting them during this sale, because $18.95, $16.95, I got it for $21, and I have a perfume version of it. You know, I try to make it work for me. So that's my opinion on it. I'm glad I got these ones included, and I got scents that I know I love and will get some good use out of, and I can layer them with my perfumes, with my body mist and other things that I would like to layer with it that has those notes or whatever. So that is the 8 items that I wanted to share with you guys today. Stay tuned to future videos where I will go over more of things that I picked up from the haul, along with some other things that I just picked up recently. I will be sharing those on my channel. So far, so good with the Dua brand. I've really been enjoying them. And like I said before, I really do recommend that if you know you like a perfume, go search it on their website, theduabrand.com. Check it out. Create a wish list. And whenever they have those good sales, that's, like I said, to me, a good sale is anything over 33% off. So 33, 36, 38, any of those type percentages. And we'll see what they do for the end of the year sales, if they do anything higher than that. But anything over $33 to me is a good deal. I would take advantage of that. Put things on your wish list, and you can get these $33 DDLs, which is the dual designer lines, for around 21 bucks or 20 bucks. So to me, that's a steal for perfume. I love that. But that's it, you guys. That's everything I wanted to share today. Stay tuned for my upcoming dual hauls, my upcoming perfume trays, and also I'm thinking about doing a project Use It Up. Not just makeup, because I got one going up for my makeup, but I'm also thinking about doing one for some of my body mists and perfumes. So if you would like to see that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, and if you are not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.